Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Your Nest device powered, the Google Home app installed, and the Wi-Fi password in hand. Connect your phone to the same 4 GHz or 5 GHz network you intend for the Nest. Once done, open Google Home and tap the plus to add a new device. Follow on-screen prompts to scan the device QR code or use Bluetooth discovery. Make sure location and Bluetooth permissions are allowed so the app can find the Nest quickly. You now select the correct home and room so the Nest integrates with automations. Name the device clearly for voice control. Next, you choose the Wi-Fi SSID and type the password carefully. If the router uses guest mode, enable the primary network. The app may download a firmware update. Allow it to complete to ensure stability. Also enable remote access and link your Google account so the Nest appears on other devices. Once the connection verifies, test basic functions like temperature readings or camera feed. You finish by confirming the Nest responds to voice commands and shows up in the Google Home app. Run an automation to verify reliability. If the device fails to connect, restart the Nest by unplugging for 10 seconds and reboot your router, then retry setup. Make sure the router isn't isolating clients, DHCP is enabled, and that you're not blocked by firewall rules. Switch to the alternate 4 GHz band if range is poor. If problems persist, factory reset the Nest and start the process again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.